Ford has officially unveiled the 2026 Explorer Tremor, bringing rugged off-road capability to its popular three-row SUV lineup. Replacing the outgoing Timberline trim, the Tremor arrives with bolder styling, enhanced hardware, and the option for a powerful twin-turbo V6, making it the most off-road capable Explorer yet. The 2026 Explorer Tremor is designed for adventure-ready families who don't want to compromise comfort for capability. With a name already familiar in Ford's F-150 and Ranger lineups, the Tremor badge now joins the Explorer family, blending practical three-row utility with serious trail-running upgrades. This SUV is aimed squarely at buyers who want weekend-ready ruggedness built into their daily driver. Visually, the Explorer Tremor stands out from the crowd. It rides 1 inch higher than the standard model, offering 8.7 inches of ground clearance, and it comes equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in 31-inch Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires. Front and rear skid plates add protection, while bright, electric spice, orange-painted steel tow hooks, and trim accents emphasize the SUV's trail-ready intent. LED fog lights are integrated into the front bumper, along with a unique grille that houses high-output LED off-road lights for better nighttime visibility. Blacked-out trim, flared fenders, and a more aggressive front bumper give the Tremor a distinctly rugged stance. Inside, the Tremor blends off-road utility with modern tech. The cabin features unique suede and cloth seats, with Tremor embossed into the seatbacks, orange contrast stitching, and durable rubberized floor mats for easy cleanup after outdoor adventures. Tech hasn't been overlooked. The 2026 Tremor features Ford's new digital experience system with Google integration, including Google Maps, Google Assistant, and access to the Play Store. A large 13.2-inch center touchscreen pairs with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster to deliver a high-tech experience. Standard driver assist features include Co-Pilot 360 Assist 2.0, with adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a 360-degree camera system. Blue Cruise 1.5 hands-free highway driving is also available as an option, along with luxury features like front seat massagers and a 14-speaker B&O premium audio system. The Tremor comes standard with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 300 horsepower, mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. For those wanting more power, the high-output 3.0-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6, borrowed from the Explorer ST, is available, offering a stout 400 horsepower. A Torsen limited-slip rear differential is standard, helping distribute power effectively across challenging surfaces. The suspension has also been tuned specifically for off-road use, ensuring better articulation and control on rugged trails. The Tremor is rated to tow up to 5,000 pounds, making it capable enough to haul boats, trailers, or camping gear with ease. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.